This is Randall Watts. This is the first video we're making. My little grandson Chris, 8 years old, he's doing it with his phone. I don't know how this is going to come out, but I'm the collector on the corner. I guess maybe more accurately a hoarder. But anyway, today we're going to do a video on two chainsaws, XL12 Homelite and Lombard. We're going to make a couple posts here. They look the same, but there's a lot of difference between these two saws. But anyway, I'll start the old Homelite up first. It ain't been started in a day.